What's up guys, today's video is on the best TIG welders for the money. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. AHP AlphaTIG 200 Amp Welder. This AHP AlphaTIG 200X TIG 200 Amp Welder is among the most versatile welding equipment for professional use. It is designed to provide advanced welding capability and easy operation. Its 200 AC/DC unit is ideal for stainless steel, aluminum, and mild steel fabrication. It is also equipped with a torch kit comprising a WP17V flashlight, a flexible head valve torch and a power adapter. It lets you make use of TIG torches with a range of 150 to 250 amps. The digital display allows for the exact setting of necessary parameters and comes with the ability to set up memory settings. You can alter the machine's pulse frequency between 0.5 Hz up to 200. The controls on the front panel permit adjustments to AC, the balance and frequency, and AC. Number 2. HF 200 Amp TIG and ARC. The HF 200 Amp TIG as well as the Inverter Welder Portable is a compact but robust welding machine that is TIG. It's certainly one of the top welders available that has every power source you require. Because of its portability, users can easily move the device about without a hitch. This welding machine can create an extremely strong 200 amp welding. Add this unit to 200 amps of power, and it's capable of doing virtually every type of weld you can imagine for your tiny steel workshop or garage. It's one of the most cost-effective AC/DC inverter welders currently available. It's a bargain. This HF 200 amp TIG, as well as the ARC inverter welder, is a fantastic choice for novices and light users. This small machine can work with all kinds of metal. It is also equipped with plenty of power. Number 3. Everlast PowerTIG 185 Amp Welder. Everlast PowerTIG 185 is a dual-voltage TIG welding machine. This means that you can utilize it anywhere in the globe. The machine is powered by 110 volt or 220 volt power, which allows incredible flexibility. In addition, the wide range of welding settings and precise controls make it simple for users to weld various materials. It's a versatile machine and can be used for stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. It's certainly one of the top TIG welding machines for beginners, as it's simple to master. Once you've mastered the fundamentals of TIG welding, you are able to begin to experiment with new methods from the comfort of your home. It is made of top-quality materials. Therefore, you don't need concerns about long-term durability in the event that you take care of it. It comes with an extremely sturdy metal case that will keep it safe in transport and storage. Number 4. Weldpro Digital TIG Welder. Weldpro Digital TIG Stick Welder is a machine that operates at 120 V and 240 volts. It can weld stainless steel, aluminum along with mild steel. The machine has modern features, such as a high amperage starting point that is 200 A. The variable pulse welds are to be anywhere from 0.1 or 1 sec. The digital display is easy to use. It features a variable frequency as well as fully automated cleaning settings. The best part is that this device includes an additional torch to be attached to the device itself. Weldpro TIG AC/DC Digital Welder is available at a fair cost. It's a great option to use in your shop if you're low on cash. It's equipped with professional-grade capabilities and functions. It operates in both AC as well as DC mode. If you're an avid professional, this model is suitable for both industrial and domestic use. Number 5. Lincoln K5126-1 TIG Welder. If you're in search of an industrial-grade TIG welder that is able to handle welding jobs in tight areas, take a look at the Lincoln K5126-1 TIG welding machine. It comes with a torch plug with quick release that eliminates any air pockets that could create a hazard when using. The device also features the ability to automatically clean itself, so there's no cloudy buildup or dirt left behind after having completed your work. It's fitted with variable frequency and pulse. It allows you to create beautiful, attractive welds for years to come. It also delivers top-quality welding by controlling the size of the output. This allows you to get rid of harmful oxides on the workpiece. The Lincoln K5126-1 Square Wave 200 Amp TIG Welder is among the equipment that you can trust to achieve the highest quality welding results. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.